Unity announced a new fee structure for the games that use their game engine. They're calling it the Unity Runtime Fee, and it becomes active on January 1st of 2024. The Unity Runtime Fee applies when a game that uses the Unity engine is installed on a device for the first time. Developers will be charged based on the Unity subscription tier that they have. The highest cost is 20 cents per install, but the lowest cost per install is half a cent. Either case may not sound like a lot of money, but both extremes can really add up once your game reaches hundreds of thousands or even millions of installs. For example, if you published a game using the Unity Pro license, the runtime fee applies after you reach 1 million installations. After the 1 millionth download, the developer will be charged up to 15 cents per install, and the cost per install does decrease after a certain number of installations. So here's my take on this pricing change. I don't think that Unity should implement the Unity runtime fee. Charging per installation is going to negatively impact the bottom line for any developer who uses Unity. I expect to see increased prices for games that use Unity because the developers will need to account for the extra cost per installation. Another frustrating part of the change is that Unity isn't considering the cost of a game. Of course, every single person doesn't download their games to multiple devices, but if you get a new PC or a new console, Unity will be charging the developer when one of their games is installed on the new device. I understand that businesses need to make money, but charging per installation is not a consumer-friendly way to increase revenue. Individual games, as well as subscription services like Game Pass and PlayStation Plus, may be seeing yet another price hike to account for this pricing model. I know that Game Pass and PlayStation Plus did have a recent price increase, which could have been done preemptively if they already knew about this change. Either way, it won't be surprising to see more expensive games and subscription services once the fee structure goes into effect on January 1st of next year. We may see companies move away from using the Unity engine to avoid this new cost. Unreal Engine has been an extremely popular engine used by game developers, so we may see an uptick of games that are using Unreal. It's a shame that the CEO of Unity is pushing for this Unity runtime fee. Fairly recently, he was actually the CEO of EA. While he worked there, he doubled down on microtransactions, and it's likely a big reason why we have more microtransactions nowadays. We'll just have to wait and see how the Unity runtime fee impacts the gaming industry as a whole. At least one developer has publicly said recently that they'll delist one of their games when the pricing change goes into effect, but we may see other developers follow suit, and games that are still in development may be delayed so that the developers can shift to another game engine. Let me know your thoughts about the Unity runtime fee in the comment section. Thanks for watching.